So, hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel where we challenge each other at the ultimate. And right here we have Tanish, Farid, and myself. So, today we are going to do
The blindfolded drawing challenge. In this challenge, what we are going to do is we are going to wear this bandana or whatever the heck this cap is, which is going to cover our eyes, something sort of like that. And wow, I can't see shit. And here is a random object generator, and is it visible?
Yes.
We are going to draw whatever the random object generator says, and whoever one could draw the specific object closer to what it actually is will get the respective point.
Yes.
And so here we go. First, it's my turn, and let's just randomize. Sticker book.
Sticker book.
So I have to draw a sticker book.
Okay, let's
I
start.
don't know the hell that is.
Show me the world.
You can draw a book and
So
write
here
on.
Is
is
it
the
visible?
sticker book.
Draw a book and write sticker book. That's it.
Not right. I have to draw a book. And
Sticker book.
I have to draw a sticker book. Whatever whatever
What does thing look
the
like?
hell that means.
Okay. Okay. Here's
I am just going to pick
paper.
one paper.
Okay, let's go. No.
Okay. My bad.
Dumbass.
Okay,
So I have to draw a sticker book. Okay, that's the best I can do right now.
Close enough.
Is it close enough?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
that's actually pretty nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, that's not bad.
Not
Not
bad.
bad.
I
Yes,
missed
not
the.
bad.
Ow, this hurts my head. I missed the K in sticker, but I guess
Okay,
that's a book.
Let's
That's a
leave
book.
it.
Yeah.
So
He
do I
got
get the
one
point?
1 point.
But it look like paper, not book.
Yes.
See closely.
Yeah,
it look
okay.
like paper.
This should have been sticker book like this.
Yeah. You missed it.
So he don't get a point.
Yeah. I
Now
did
it
not
look
get
like
it.
sticker book.
He don't get a point.
So now it's a sticker book.
So you lost
He
here.
So I,
lost his
I
point.
didn't got that point.
So next chance.
So next chance is Farid's. Here you go.
Oh, my pen.
Here's your paper. I am giving you this. Not
Okay.
Okay.
Let me put on this.
Let me just mark the point. Ahmed, Farid, and Danish. Danish got 0. Yay!
अरे भाई अब मुझे ये करनी
So the next word.
So the next object that Farid has to draw is
Bottle of a paint.
Bottle of paint.
Little bottle of paint.
So here's your
Is it
pen.
visible?
Here's your pen. Take your pen.
where
Okay.
So you have to draw the bottle of a paint.
where is paper
This is your paper right there.
is
Yeah, that's your paper.
okay
Bottle of paint.
paint the bottle
Yeah, bottle of paint and
Bottle
paint
of
of bottle.
paint.
Anything good.
paint box
Paint bottle, not a box. Yeah, paint box.
paint box okay paint box
A paint box. What the hell is a bottle of paint? It's either paint.
Tub.
Yeah, tub. We have a genius over there behind the camera, and he's lost. Oh,
P.
he did something and then he wrote P. Does that count? I don't think that counts.
Let's randomize.
Does that doesn't count?
okay no it's actually it look good
bucket.
It does.
Yeah,
look
So
like
the
a
next word,
bucket. So I guess he gets a
The
point.
next
Can I
object
get the
is-
green marker, please?
key. Key.
So he has to draw. He has to draw key.
Key.
Okay,
key,
so wear
key.
this. Take off your cap. You have to take off the cap. You
Wait,
have to take
wait,
off the
wait,
cap. You have to
wait,
take
wait.
off the cap.
what the hell is what the wrong is
How
this cap
how you? Why are we having so much problem today?
okay nice
Okay.
Oh, he what? Oh,
Where the page?
here's the page, and there's the pen.
So I have to draw a key.
not that
Oh, disgusting! You drooled all over your pen. Don't take it. I don't want it anymore.
I think
Not a
look
problem.
like
I will hold
this.
from
Oh!
the side.
What are you doing?
It's a key.
Because that's
Nice.
actually a key.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay.
Good. Okay, he got the 1 point.
He got the 1 point.
Okay.
He got the point.
Oh, he got the point. Sorry.
Okay, so now it's my turn, and I dare if anyone messes with me while I'm drawing, you're gonna have something bad.
So the next object is helmet. So you have to draw a helmet.
A helmet.
Helmet.
Is this my pen? Is
Yes.
this the red
Yes,
pen?
yes.
Yes, sir.
And if anybody touch me, I'm going to kill them.
Okay.
No one's going to mess with me.
Okay. Nothing wrong.
Okay.
Draw.
This is the point sheet, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to.
Farid got 1 point.
Okay. Yeah, Farid got 1 point.
Helmet.
What? Okay, I do helmet. Okay, this is pretty. This, why
What
does
is
This
this?
look
What is this?
it's look like a stone.
What is this? Shinchan? Shinchan?
It looks like Shinchan.
It is weird.
It is
Not weird.
So Danish gets
Among Us.
0 point.
You
So
lost.
I never got a point.
Ching,
Another
ching,
one.
Ching,
0.
ching.
Looks like I'm going to lose this challenge too.
It looks like Shinchan wearing spacesuit.
It look like a heart.
Shinchan.
That looks like hernia. Okay,
Yeah.
now it's your turn.
Okay.
Now it's Farid's turn.
Where this I'm how I am.
Okay, wait.
Our cameraman is trying so hard not to laugh right now. Yeah, fix your hair first.
Now
Oh
where's
my god.
cash? Okay.
So here's your
I
pen.
think I look good.
So what
Where is
he have to draw
Oh,
a card.
You're straight ahead of you.
Where's my pen?
A little over.
So the next object is a card.
Got that up.
Card. You have to draw a card.
Give it to me, man.
He has to draw a card.
He has to draw a card. Yeah, that's the paper.
This is very
that's
easy.
the
Card?
sheet. Yeah, card.
Only card.
Yes.
Okay.
Which type of card?
Okay. Yeah.
So the next word for Ahmed is
A butter knife.
Butter knife.
I have to draw a butter knife.
okay. So he has to draw a butter knife.
So give his pen.
Oh god.
Why are you messing up the hat so much?
Where's the page?
Yeah, that's the page.
Okay. Don't mess with me.
Why doesn't that affect you? Stupid.
Okay. Let him draw.
Why do you wet the pen always?
Let's see. What is
That.
I think it's a butter knife.
yeah.
How the hell is that a butter
It
knife?
looks like chainsaw.
Oh. So the next word is for me, and if anyone messes with me, I'm going to kill them.
Okay.
I have to draw a turtle.
He have to draw a turtle.
It's pretty hard, I think.
Pretty easy.
It's
Let's see.
hard.
Hard.
Okay, I don't want that to happen.
Okay.
So ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh my nose! Oh!
Okay.
What the hell are you doing? Okay, I cannot see. I cannot see. Don't.
You can see. I know.
I cannot see.
Okay. Draw.
My eyes are so tightly shut. I don't even know. Okay. I'm going to draw now. Am I pointing at the camera?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Ow, my eyes.
Oh.
Okay, I cannot see even a bit.
Don't be smart.
Okay. That's the best I can draw. I don't
What the hell is this? So he lost his point.
It looks like cow.
Cow's nipple.
Cow's nipples.
That's not what I mean. Put the right word down over here.
What the hell is this?
What the right word that is? That's not a nipple for the cow. Cow don't
So
have.
the next word object for Farid is quilt.
Quilt.
Quilt?
Means
Quilt
fur.
means-
I think.
Quilt
fur.
means
Quilt means blanket.
blanket.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Yeah, bro. It's pretty hard.
Oh yeah, it's hard. It looks like simple, but it's hard.
I have put all zeros right now. What the hell am I doing?
So let's draw.
You know, wear your
Okay,
hat.
let's-
You look disgusting. Wear your hat.
Okay, okay.
Without hat.
Okay. Give his pen. How is he going to draw? Can you not?
Where's pen?
Every single time. Every single time.
Okay.
Even when I'm not trying to.
Blanket. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Saboteur him.
What the hell is this? It's too square.
Why is he getting everything square or rectangle? What the spelling of blanket?
What the hell is this?
Okay, done.
It's not square.
That's not a blanket. 100% that's not a blanket.
So
Is that a blanket?
Yes, yeah, you can.
No, it's
open,
not.
You can open the
he
blanket.
lost his point.
Okay, what kind of a blanket can be opened?
No, it's fold. It's fold.
I don't know what kind
So
of
the
a
next-
luxurious life. What
Listen.
Kind of, shut up.
So the next.
I don't know what kind of a luxurious life you are living, but the blankets that we wore are not openable. They are not like sleeping bags.
Okay. So the
It's
next.
fold. It's
So the
really
next
good.
object
No, that's
to draw
Okay,
me
okay,
is a
fine.
television, TV.
You know, he tends to mess up with these kind of things when he get the remote. He tries to get the easiest words.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Can you stop creaking? Can you?
Stop.
He's gonna ruin my blindfold.
All the time.
All the time creaking with the chair.
So I have to draw. Is this a sheet?
Yeah, that's the sheet.
Yes, yes.
You have to draw television. Can you stop pressing the pen so hard? He broke the nib of the pen.
Yeah.
I
Calm
think
down.
it's
Easy.
look like
You're blocking the pen. What is this? Yeah, cracked. This TV is cracked.
it should like this.
This is that side of it.
I have
The expression on his face was like, okay, I know I'm messed up, but I think I can still pull it off. It was like, okay, this is disgusting. I think it looks like a TV.
it should like a TV. Yes,
I guess it's close enough.
yes. So I
Next.
got
Okay.
1 point.
Ancient TV.
Okay.
You ruined the nib of my pen.
Sorry, bro.
The pen nib should look like
Sorry,
that,
bro.
not like that.
Sorry, brother.
Sorry,
Okay.
brother.
Okay.
Okay, so the next turn is.
For you.
Okay,
Next
it's
one
my
is
turn.
yours.
The next turn
Okay.
is my turn.
Okay.
Hopefully, I get a single point. I don't lose with 0 points. So, what do I have to draw next?
Plus octopus.
Plus octopus.
What the?
Okay, draw an octopus.
Octopus.
Draw an octopus.
You know, I can't even draw a straight line wearing a blindfold. How do you expect me to draw 8 different crooked lines?
Okay, draw.
Okay, now I'm confused. Where the hell?
Let's
am I?
draw.
Here,
Hurry up.
right here, right here. Right here, your pen. Yeah, yeah. Check it.
Draw.
Check. This is your pen.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not.
That's
Okay,
the other.
That is
Okay, draw.
Okay. What did I have to draw?
Octopus.
One leg, 2 legs.
Oh
leg,
my god. Artist.
and then done.
What is it?
It should look like a jhadu. What is?
Okay, that's an octopus.
No.
That's not look
That's
like.
that's
That's
close
not
enough.
an octopus.
You think that's a TV,
Yes.
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 and then you think that's a blanket.
Yeah, fold with
Okay,
blanket.
then that's an octopus.
No. This is not octopus.
Trying to sabotage me.
This.
I get the point. I get the point.
Okay.
Pointed legs.
Okay. Pointed legs.
Pointed legs. Yeah, he's. I don't know what he's
No.
doing, but he's doing something. Okay, so the next word is for Farid.
The next
The cap wala bhai.
spool of string.
Huh?
Spool of string. You don't even know what that is. How is he gonna know?
Screw. So he have to draw a screw.
He's a screw. He has to draw a screw.
Okay.
Okay.
Where is cap?
Where is cap? Where is my cap? Here
Okay.
is your paper,
Okay.
and here is your pen.
Another pen. The hell? Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Okay.
So we have to draw a screw.
Screw. Okay.
And remember, not a nail, not a bolt, a screw.
Yes.
Now he's confused what a screw is.
Screwdriver.
No, this is
Only
screw.
Only
A
screw.
single screw.
A pointed nail with rings on it.
Okay. Okay.
This is not a screw.
Okay, guys, what do you think it is? A, is it a screw? B, is it something disgusting? Or C,
It's
is
like
it
a
something
wave.
horrible?
But
The
it's
right
not like,
answer is C, it is something horrible.
but it looks like
It
screw.
look like a cyclone.
Pretty close.
No.
How in the hell?
So he catch
Well,
0 points.
Explain to me how that is a screw.
If we adjust this thing here,
So the
Why? No, why should we just?
So the next
Okay,
word. So the next word for me is a camera.
No, I'm gonna. He tends to cheat. Garden spade.
What is
Shovel.
shovel. Okay.
Nee.
It's easy for you, I think.
Shovel.
Shovel.
X.
Shovel. Shovel.
Shovel! How do we explain a shovel?
Shovel.
Yeah,
I
the
think
one-
khurpi.
Yeah, khurpi.
Yeah,
kind of
shovel.
thing.
Shovel.
With a broad head, khurpi.
Howda.
Yeah, that.
No, 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 no.
That's a plow. Ah,
Shovel.
That.
Okay, okay.
Shovel.
I will draw.
Okay.
Yeah, first where the okay. At least he's true to that.
I can draw. So with the seat.
Yep. Where the seat?
I think it's look like this type. Wait. Wait. It's
I think he's gonna do. Okay.
wait.
Can you put subtitles over there when I was whispering? I'll tell you later on.
It's like this. I
That's
think.
pretty close actually.
Okay.
So that is pretty close to a garden spade.
Wait. This.
Yeah, the one which is circled. So I guess he gets a point.
So the winner is
How do you mean when we still
But I
have three
think
more
shovel
chances?
is.
3 more chances.
No, that's not a garden spade. The garden spade.
Oh, your
is
garden.
that.
Okay. Garden.
Yeah,
Yeah.
garden spade.
Okay.
It's look like this, I think.
Okay, we get it.
Okay,
You can
okay.
draw. You are.
Yes. Okay. No.
Okay, so the next turn is mine.
Okay.
And what do I have to draw? Baseball.
It's easy.
That's very easy.
That's very
Okay, I
easy.
say that's easy, but then I'm going to butcher it. So
How
let's
much?
Let's try.
So let's not say anything.
Let's see. Yeah, we have the paper.
Can I get my pen, please? This is my pen. Oh, yeah,
No,
I can
this
see.
is not your pen. This is your pen. Okay.
Okay. Go for it.
Is this the paper or am I drawing on
Yes.
the?
Yes.
This is your
It is new
paper.
paper, fresh paper
Okay,
for
so
you.
what did I have to draw? Tell me again once more.
Baseball.
Baseball.
This is not a baseball.
This is not a baseball.
That's almost a
No.
baseball.
No.
It looks like a.
Isn't
socket.
it?
No, no,
No.
no.
The lights are so bright.
This is not a baseball.
Okay, so this is not a baseball. I guess I don't get the point. What the heck? Not like not. It's not like I was gonna win. Where the hell is the can of this cap? Can of this cap? Cap of this pen.
So
Okay.
Farid have to draw a bag.
You have to draw back. Okay, that's pretty easy.
That's pretty easy.
No, that's not pretty easy. This look like.
Yeah. Okay.
But when I wear this,
When we started this challenge, we thought the thing that we were gonna draw going to be pretty easy. But as we are doing it, we realized that it's not that easy. And so, okay, so okay, he took the pen beforehand.
He look like a kidnapper.
Yeah, he does look like a kidnapper.
okay.
Yeah, that's your paper. So draw a bag. Why are you sleeping? You should not be sleeping on the job.
Okay, let's draw. It is not a bag. What the hell is this?
Okay,
It's looking like a.
it's like a hookah.
Yes, it looks like a
It looks like a double-sided hookah.
double-sided hookah. Yes, yes.
It is fashionable bag.
How the hell is that a
Festival
fashion?
bag.
It's
Does
looking
that
good.
okay, Commissioner?
like a surah.
Okay, the final judge is going to say, does that count as a bag?
Yes,
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 yes.
yes. Okay.
Very light strips.
Very light strips, right? Why does that?
It's
he
cool
don't get a
bag.
point.
He's cool
He
bag.
don't get
cool
a point,
bag.
na?
Yes, 1 point.
He does
0
get a
point.
1 point. He does
One
get a
point.
point. The commissioner said that he does get a point.
Okay.
Why the hell are you worried? You're still in the lead. How the hell are you still in the lead?
Drill press. What is this?
Drill press, drilling machine.
Drilling machine.
Drill machine.
Yes.
Really?
Yes, it's
He
easy.
says drilling machine. Really?
It's easy, I think. You.
Why does everybody have their pen in their hand beforehand? How am I gonna mess with you?
Easy.
Okay, you're.
Okay.
So I have to draw a drill machine. Where is the sheet? Is this sheet?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I wonder if the mic picked that up.
I think. Let's see, let's see. Okay, motion. What is it drawing?
How? He looks so dead while he's drawing. What did he have to draw? He had to draw a drill
Okay.
press.
Drill,
I think
yes,
it's
drill.
not like this.
Okay, that's pretty nice.
Yeah. It's looking
You're
good.
look like
missing,
a-
you're
No,
missing some components.
It's looking like it is not
Water
drill.
gun.
It is a hand drill, not wood.
Now it's a drill.
It's look like a. It's pretty easy. Oh, sorry. It's
So-
pretty close.
It's pretty easy.
What is this type of drill?
Yes, sir.
Very close.
The drill
This is drill.
No, that's that's a
I
jackhammer.
Jackhammer?
Yeah, that's not a drill.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's look like this. It look like
Okay.
Okay. We get it. You drew it. Stop
No,
justifying
give me a
that.
point. Okay, 1 point.
1 point.
1 point.
Okay, now
Okay.
So the
So
now,
I guess
Okay.
that's enough for today.
okay.
And I'm actually really tired. Okay, don't throw that. You just threw the pen and broke the nib.
yes.
So the winner of
All people.
so the winner of the challenge is
I'm a
Ahmed
sir.
with Farid having 2 points, I having a single point, and Ahmed having
4 points.
4
4
points
points,
out of
5.
5 tries.
5, yes, 5.
Okay.
So I guess he is the winner. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can click right over here to view our previous video, and click right over here to watch a video that is selected by YouTube specifically for you.
Okay.
And click right over here to subscribe to our channels.
And also
forget-
follow us on Instagram
Yes.
and
Don't
share this
forget to
video.
like, share, and subscribe to our
Yes.
YouTube channel.
Until
Okay.
then,
Bye.